Good afternoon, children. Today we will go to the second lesson in EVS 2, which is called the Works of the Saints. Works of the Saints. Maharashtra is the land of saints. The tradition of saints that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Dhyaneshwar, continued by the sons coming from various strata of society. These saints taught the virtues of compassion, non-violence, charity, service and brotherhood. Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender and caste. He established a sect called Manobhav. The incidents of his life was compiled in a book titled Leela Charitra. Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Lord Vittal. He lived in Narasai. He composed many songs in the praises of God, kirtans, and brought about an awakening amongst the people. His works are even included in the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs. Sant Dhyaneshwar. Sant Dhyaneshwar's family belonged to Epegaon. His message of love and equality was spread among the people in Maharashtra. He wrote his famous book Dhyaneshwari in Marathi so that people could easily understand them. He preached the ideal of brotherhood amongst his men. At the very early age, he took Samadhi at Alandi in Pune. Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath lived in Paitan. He preached that the way to reach God is through devotion, that is Bhakti Marg. He wrote numerous religious songs like Abhangs, Odes and Baruds. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and practice what he preached. Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. He wrote devotional songs, abhangs, and performed kirtans. He preached to the people about the virtues of pity, forgiveness, and peace of mind. He also gave the message of equality. He said, "He alone is a saint, and God dwells with him who calls the weak and the downtrodden as his own." Sant Ramdas. Ramdas was born at Jeb on the banks of the Godavari in Marathwada. His birthday falls on Ram Navami, the day on which the great hero Rama was born. Through his book Dasbodh, he taught men the ways of good life. Through his Manachi Slok, he gave people lessons in good thoughts and good conduct. He taught them to organize themselves and fight against injustice. To remember what the saints did for us. The works of the saints brought about a great awakening among the people. Religion once again became a thing to be respected, and a spirit of self-reliance was born. People regained their lost confidence. This great awakening among the people, brought about by the saints, helped Shivaji in his fight for Swaraj. Children, hope you have understood the lesson. Now let us solve an exercise. fill in the blank. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of dash. Good Ayush, Vittal. At a very early age, at dash near Pune, Dhyaneshwar took Samadhi. Yes, Priya, Alandi. Sant Tukaram drowned in the river Dash, along with all the records of the loan papers he had. Yes, Darshini, Indrayani. To popularize the worship of strength, Samrat Ramdas raised the temple of Dash. Yes, Aiden Lobo, Hanuman. Children, let's go to the second type of question. Write the answer in one sentence. What discrimination did Sri Chakradhar Swami not believe? Sri Chakradhar Swami did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. Question number 2. What desire did Sant Namdev instill among the people? Sant Namdev instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Which advice was rendered by Sant Eknath? Sant Eknath's advice to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low. What message was propagated by Samrat Ramdas? Samrat Ramdas taught the people to organize themselves and fight against injustice. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed it.